Children, today we will start our new work in plain drawing book. Today's work, we need a plain drawing book. With that we need a pencil, eraser, black gel pen and a sketch pen. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to take all these things and open new page, draw a border and draw 3 centimeter box, children. Border and boxes, you have to write down today's date here. After that write down here still life with stippling. Children, I will do light line with a pencil first. Afterwards, when I will start the drawing with the black color pen, that type you have to see the drawing and start to do the work, children. Because we are erasing the pencil lines. No, that time we will get the pencil impression at the back side if I do dark. That's why I am doing with the light. When I will do with the black color, that time you have to see and do, children. Children, here I did very light, with the light line I did the drawing. Okay, now I will start do with the black color gel pen. You have to see that. Then we will start to do the stippling work or a shading work with the black color pen, children. You have to do the drawing with the pencil only, lightly. Okay. See, children, I did only 3 objects here. One is apple, one is orange and one is lemon. See here I did the extra lines. To draw the shape, I did the extra, but I will rub that one now. This is the drawing. You have to see it properly and do the drawing with the pencil. Then start to do with the black color. After this over, you have to take a black color sketch pen and do black outline for the border. Only inside of this drawing, whatever the pencil lines will be there, no, that one you have to rub, children. After doing this, now we will start to do the some light lines like this. Wherever we need dark tone, wherever we need light tone, for that. Okay, children. See here. Light line like this we have to do. Then we should start to do the okay, like this you have to mark. Then start to do here the dark tone. The difference between in this space, here dark tone will be there, in the middle also dark tone is there, here this portion also dark tone is there. See here, this one light tone will be there. Is no, you can see the difference, no, children? See, children, how it will be. Okay, you have to see, do same like this. After that we will move to the down lemon one. For this also, like this, draw the line Okay, that portion we will do with the dark tone, remaining portion we will do with the light tone. See the difference between orange and a lemon, children? Okay, and the dark tone from where it will be, and the light tone where it will start. You have to see that and you have to do that. After this, we'll start to do on the apple. In the apple, like this, we are doing the lines. See, here I will show how we should do that. See, children, here you have to do the dark tone like this. Okay, observe the picture once. Now I will start to do the light tone here. See, children, you can see the difference between the light tone, middle tone and the dark tone. Okay, once you finish this one, now we are doing the shading at the down. That one we are doing with a black color, but we are not doing the stippling work. We are doing the shading like this. after the shading over, you have to take a eraser and start to rub the pencil lines whatever is there. Okay children. Our work, it will looks like this after erasing pencil lines everything. Okay children, you have to do same as it is. Okay children, you have to do the work in a plain drawing book only, not in a A4 sheet. Okay children, thank you.